someone cut it off. But this is not MRI safe. This one is aluminum. And how will they know? They have a big magnet tester before you roll anything into the room that actually they kind of like body scan it and make sure there's no metal.
Yeah.
Okay, but this is metal.
So when you're saying that type of big machine, so I would have brought those tanks in there, it would have rained.
Say it again.
Because those tanks aren't compatible, and if they had it in there, that should scan them, right? But it didn't?
Say it again. If they would have scanned it,
Yeah.
yes, they would scan. They would scan it. But you are actually. Our staff have signed a waiver and filled out completed an HLC that they are aware about what you can and cannot bring into the MRI machine and into the MRI room. And so you're not going to constantly have someone hovering over you to see what you're doing. Okay, so the staff, so my question tomorrow to the team is, did Biomed, were they working on this machine? Because obviously they were doing something. And if so, they shouldn't have left it here, because what if we had to pull the machine and use it? Yeah. Right? But in any case, we wouldn't be able to use it. Why? The maintenance sticker says May 2020. It's October. You can't use this machine. It has to get tested first. Okay? It's been alarming this whole time because the oxygen sensor needs to be replaced. The battery is low. That means someone drained the battery out because the battery is only good for so many minutes. So they haven't kept the machine plugged in, and so when this was on, it was draining all that battery juice, the internal battery of this machine. So the way that this machine works, you know how you have like a button and you self-test everything and you have a leak test? Well, this one, you're going to use this monitor. So, I'm going to go set up this machine. And I'm going to go under setup. Okay? I'm going to press setup. And in order for you to confirm, you have to push the knob. And then I need to calibrate the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor is down here. I press OK. And it says, complete 21% first. 100% calibration may be performed only after 21% calibration has been completed. So I'm going to go to 21%. I'm going to open my sensor here.
Is it the same as the flow sensor?
Yes. You're going to leave this flow sensor into open air, just like that. Okay? And then, it says remove O2 sensor from the breathing circuit, expose it to room air, and push the knob.
Oh, this one you don't have to do for 2 minutes? You don't have to do it for 2 minutes on this one?
I don't know how many minutes it takes. I mean, we get to see how long it takes. They're all different. And if they say, Kura, I need this machine up and running now, you need to do this test first. You can't shortcut, because otherwise you're going to still get these alarms blowing up during the case. It's taking some time.
Like that. This room is creepy. I don't care what y'all say.
What is it?
Down here is creepy.
It's not down to the second floor.
It's creepy.
You should see the other place where we used to be at. Whew. The doors would open by itself.
Oh, yeah, no, I wouldn't be out of there.
Okay, retry or do 100%. So it failed. You see that?
Yeah.
Because it said replace O2, it wants me to replace this. So now it wants me to go to 100% calibration. Oops.
So what's the difference between those two calibrations?
Room air. It's getting a baseline for room air. And it's also getting the baseline for 100%. So when they're delivering 100%, the machine detects, okay, this is what 100% should be at. Now I'm gonna go I'm gonna go to 100%. With sensor and breathing system, flow 100% oxygen and then push knob to start. Okay?
So it's getting the oxygen directly from the tank, and it's just calibrating what should be 100%?
Yes, but it wants you to put 100% here. So we need oxygen. Can we plug in oxygen? I'm working on this machine more because you guys haven't used this machine. I know you guys are used to plug in oxygen. We'll plug everything in.